Alright. Doing a transmission oil change the hard way. Be a man. Do it the hard way. Take the whole trans out. Be a man. All Mustang owners know how fun it is to replace his oxygen sensor up here, right next to the starter. And these Sn95 4.6. The best way I found to do it was use both hands. One, you come over here by the wheel, come this way. Use these fingers, and then you take your other hand, just go straight up through here, and with both hands, just using 2 fingers on each hand, you could press it in and spin it. That's the best way I found to get it in there, to get it started. And then now I'm trying to tighten it up, but I'm having difficulty fitting the wrench in there. Who designed this? Terrible design. Must hate mechanics. It's nice and tight. What a pain getting that on there. Sheesh. Once you get it on there, it's good, but when you first get started, just with your fingertips, just twisting it in there, takes a little bit of messing around with it for sure.